Böyle gidiyoruz.
Alrighty, welcome to the Scenic Railway. My name is Shannon. I'm the driver at the back of the train, taking you down into the Jamison Valley. Please hold on to any loose or valuable items. Any small children, you are riding the world's steepest railway.
Streamlere landiler ama arada. Gracias a nada. Wow, Tata mai la canta. Dana la canta, o sea, canta la canta.
Alrighty, welcome to the Jamison Valley. Now when the train comes to a stop, I'll be opening doors on the left hand side. Make your way up the stairs and across the bridge. There's a 10-minute walk to the cableway. Now that is the only boardwalk open now. Our longer walks have now closed for the day. And just a reminder, our last rides are at 3:50. 3:50 are our last rides today. Now we will ask that everybody exits the train. We do have quite a few people waiting on our right hand side.
There you go.